Good day, guys. It's Yankee FX, owner of Yankee Forest Academy. I'm here again to break down the charts for you guys. In this video, we're going to be analyzing two pairs and the DXY. We're going to be analyzing USD card, AUD USD, and the dollar index. So stick around to the end of this video to see what I have for you guys. The first pair we are going to be analyzing is the USD card. As you can see, I already plotted these levels in my last video, so I won't be plotting it again. We are just going to go straight to the point. So if you want to learn how I plot my levels, you have to watch my previous video on USD card and AUD USD. In my last video, we are able to identify that this is a major level here. We have a major level here, and the market came to a major level and formed a reversal chart pattern, which you see now once we go to the daily time frame. Remember, the market was just playing around in this zone and finally broke above it and came to this major level and formed a reversal chart pattern. So looking at the chart from weekly time frame, you may be wondering, why did I call here a major level? This point here, why do I call it a major level? Why the market just played around a bit here, and even in the past the market blew above it. But when you go to the monthly time frame, you see the reason. So you see that from the monthly time frame, the market closed below this level, and here again it's closed below this level. So in the monthly time frame, you can call this a fake out. This is a fake out. That is why this level is a very strong level, because the market broke above it, wasn't able to close above the level, closed below it. Also here broke above it and still closed below it. So you don't need anyone to tell you that this is a major level. So let me change the color so you won't get confused. Let me make it green. So let's go back to the monthly time frame. Can't you see how the market respected it? Respected it there. So this is a major level. And let's go back to the weekly time frame. The market was playing around here, or just, and finally broke above it, came to this major level and formed a reverse chart pattern, which is clearly visible when you come to the daily time frame. From the daily time frame, you can see our head and shoulder pattern. Here being the left shoulder, here is the head, here is the right shoulder, then here is the neckline. This neckline was broken and retested. This neckline was broken here and retested, and the market continued falling, as you can see it clearly. In my last video, we were able to identify a minor level, which is here. You know already, for my minor levels, I like using yellow. The first reason is that after this breakout, here served as support, which helped the market to pull back to the neckline. Then when we plot our Fibonacci 2 from swing high to swing low, you can see we also have a level here. We also have a level here. So that is how we're able to identify that here is a level. In my last video, the market was still trading here, was still around here. I predicted that I expect a pullback to this level, which the market just did. And after the pullback, we should expect a sell. I was able to trade this pullback last week. Let me show people how. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let me show you what I saw. In the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market can be funny sometimes. The market was ranging here from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It was on Thursday that this move happened and it pulled back, and this one happened on Friday. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for 3 days, it was just ranging inside this box. What I did was very simple. I just came and boxed here and said to myself, I won't be doing anything till this market breaks above or below. Now when this break happened above, I wasn't able to find an entry this first break. So what I did was simple. I had to wait. I know that even if the market is going to start selling, it should come into the zone properly, but or at least form a double top and start falling. But then I didn't see any of this happening. So as this market was retracing here, I just did I removed the box, did something very simple, identified this minor level which we have here, then brought out my Fibonacci 2, drew it from swing low to swing high. I have my minor support level here, and I also have my fib too. So as I saw bullish engulfing candle here, I placed my buy trade here and took my profit here. So I will show you people screenshot of the trade. So that is how I was able to trade USD card. Though this is a just a counter end trade, but then the main thing is that we made money from it, and it was actually a nice setup. So what do I think USD card will be doing next week? Let's see. So you already know this is a minor level here. You already know we have a minor level here. Then if we bring our Fibonacci 2 from swing high to swing low, you can see we have a nice confluence here. Have a nice confluence here. We have the minor level and the Fibonacci 2 in our favor. What you are going to be doing is very simple. Just chill. Let me try and plot my trend line and see if we have trend line in our favor. No, this trend line is too far to be working. Then this trend line has been broken. So what I think may be happening is I'm expecting the market to come into this level, fake out a bit and start falling. But then another thing that can happen is the market can just decide that it wants to test the neckline again. Maybe break above this level, pull back, form a base here and start heading to test the neckline for the second time before falling. So any of these two can happen next week. What we are going to do is that we are going to give USD card time to tell us what it wants to do. For me, I want to be trading USD card on Monday. I'll just leave it and maybe Monday evening I will see what happened. But if USD card is yet to come into this level properly, maybe fake out a little bit and start falling, I won't be placing any trade. I have to be patient with USD card. So let's go to the dollar index. Let me show you the problem I have with USD card for now. So this is dollar index. Let's go to the weekly time frame. This is a nice trend line we have here. Dollar index broke this major trend line, broke this minor support level, and no doubt dollar index is trying to come here. It's trying to come to this our major level. Maybe if it comes here, it can either if it comes here, it can continue, it can break it and continue falling, or it can start heading up again. But for now, we know that dollar index is coming to this zone. Reason being that, let's go to monthly time frame. You can see the level we have is a major level. So dollar index broke this our trend line here, and this our minor level. But dollar index have refused to come and test this level again and tell it to goodbye and start falling. That is the problem I have with dollar index now. Throughout last week, dollar index was just ranging inside this box here from Monday till Friday. Was just inside this box. So if you are a swing trader, I'm very certain you didn't make any money last week. So the only set of people that I feel made money last week were scalpers and day traders. Though I don't encourage scalping, but I'm also a day trader and swing trader. So the good thing is knowing when to be a day trader and knowing when to be a swing trader. So not when dollar index is ranging like last week you be saying you want to swing, the market will deal with you. So when the dollar index is just ranging, just become a day trader so that you'll be capturing all these 50, 60, 70 pips. But if you try swinging when dollar index is misbehaving, you may end up not making any profit. So dollar index is supposed to pull back and test this level, at least pull back to this level, because if we bring our Fibonacci to from swing high to swing low, you can still see we have confluence of Fibonacci, we have the minor resistance level, we have trend line, major trend line that was broken. So the market at least is supposed to come here and respect this level, come here and kiss this level goodbye and start falling but DXY refused, though I'm still very certain it might still come and test it. So that is the problem I'm having with USD card. If DXY by next week is going to pull back to test this yellow level we have here, it means that USD card might be going to test this neckline again, neckline again and then drop. That's why I'm not going to be rushing trades next week. I'm going to give USD card time. I want to be trading USD card on Monday. I'll wait till Tuesday and see what is happening. Just leave USD card alone for now. Let's see what happens on Monday. By the end of Monday, we see a very nice bearish engulfing candle down, then we may be selling. But then if you want to place the trade with me, then you have to join my Telegram community and follow me on Instagram, because I'll be posting my trades updates there. So that is just it. So for next week, I'll be giving USD card time. Then the next pair is AUD USD. So in my last video, I say that AUD USD will be selling last week. The reason being that, let's go to our monthly time frame. So you can see how I plotted my key levels. You can watch my previous video if you want to learn how I plot my key levels. The reason is clear. AUD/USD been in a downtrend. AUD/USD formed head and shoulder pattern here, broke above the neckline, retested it, continued falling. This is a major level, broke below the major level, retested it, then collapsed and is now pulling back. So this move, I'm just seeing it as a pullback, not a reversal yet. I'm still seeing it as a pullback. I will only call it reversal when AUD/USD should close above this our yellow level here with a weekly bullish engulfing candle above. Then I'll be looking to buy. But for now, the market is still trending down, and this our trend line is still keeping the downtrend intact. For me, AUD/USD is seeing a downtrend. That is just a pullback, and when we draw our Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, from swing high here to swing low, you can see that AUD/USD is between the 0.50 and 0.61% fib level, which serves as a strong resistance level. So AUD/USD is still in a downtrend. The downtrend is still intact. Let's go to daily time frame and see what is happening. So in daily time frame, we plotted this level, which you can see clearly. This level we have here. So AUD/USD did something very crazy last week. AUD/USD came to this our trend line. Let me draw the Fibonacci too, so you see what actually happened. This is our Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, and this is our resistance level, and this is our trend line. AUD came to this level and faked out a little bit. This is what we call fake out. He faked out a little bit as if he doesn't want to sell. Someone like me, I sold here also. I was also a victim of the fake out. After stopping us out, AUD started melting, started falling. So how do we trade AUD last next week? AUD already formed a level here. So I'm just waiting for AUD to come and trade below this level and maybe come to my 1 hour time frame. Wait for pullback to this level. Wait for pullback into this level and place a set trade till this point. So for AUD, I'm very certain it's going to sell and it's going to drop till this level here. So let me count the pips. We have just around 140 pips, okay, 150 pips drop from this level. So if you are going to be placing the trade, you just have to be patient for now. Wait for AUD to clear this level properly and pull back, because this is the only obstacle AUD is having now. Once AUD is able to clear this level and pull back to this level, maybe in 1 hour time frame or so, then you can be confident enough to place your set trade up to this point. So for AUD, you should just give it time, give it Monday, Tuesday, and see what it has for you. So I'll also be monitoring it. So we'll be waiting for AUD next week. So that is all I have for you. So if dollar index will be going for this retracement, which I pray it goes for, AUD will be dropping. AUD will be dropping. So I'll be waiting for AUD next week to capture this move down. So that's all I have for you guys in this video. All you have to do for me is please subscribe to my YouTube channel and do well to like and comment. Just share your opinion. Most of you watching my channel are also traders. You can also drop your opinion. So thanks and peace out.